Welcome to SNS Railroad, and today we're going to be looking at this really cool train watching spot. There's an office and some crew maintenance vehicles. As I said before, a really cool train watching spot with a caboose. You can hear a diesel idling and getting aired up behind that consist right there. About to pull out. You can see the inside of the caboose pretty much as the crew left it. Really cool old lamp in there. Wish I got a chance to ride in this. Here's the under. Really nice. No rust or anything. Looks like it just came off the production line. The only thing that looked rusty was its couplers, surprisingly. There's another railroad maintenance vehicle. Here's some of the railing. Super nice, as I had said. This bit of the track I thought was really interesting. It looks just abandoned. Not riding anything over that anytime soon. Over there's an old cat grader I thought was super cool. Here's the inside from the other side. You can see a radio up into there. Really cool. Thanks for watching. See you next time.